Southwest of Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West out radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damage in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 10 miles south of Claysville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning, but are not limited to Washington, Canonsburg, Burgettstown, McRae, and Monongahela. In addition to large hayland damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is an area